Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find tutorials on the Snapseed application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, just click to the three dots at the upper right corner of the home screen, and here you can find the second button, the tutorials. Tap that, and here you can find different options. The first tabs, the Lomo black or white, the frozen, pickup blizzard, and others option. And if you want to see the information and check the tutorials, just click that and you can see the video and the info. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.